Every journey begins where nature does the first work. Human hands meet seasonal precision. Timing decides flavor. Consistency starts long before machines. Traceability begins at the source. Harvest converges into flow. Movement turns effort into supply. From soil towards system. Measurement locks accountability. Quality is never assumed. Only approved fruit moves ahead. Nature releases control. Agriculture meets industry. Scale transforms harvest into production. Destination defines purpose. Preparation prevents waste. Momentum carries value forward. The harvest now enters its next life. Logistics turn harvest into motion. Precision continues beyond the field. Attention protects every load. Industry recognizes its own. Control begins at the perimeter. Every batch is accounted for. Raw material enters the system. Flow is carefully directed.
Truck 12, proceed to Bay 5.
Coordination prevents delay. Alignment ensures safety. Stability comes first.
The factory opens its mouth.
Machines wait their cue. Transport ends here. Handling shapes efficiency. Environment changes, standards rise. Order replaces motion. Processing is about to begin. The system awakens. Scale defines modern production. Data joins the process. Inside these walls, precision rules. Identity anchors operation. People move with protocol. Cleanliness is engineered. Standards never relax.
Standards never relax. Yes, supervisor.
Transparency builds trust. Flow is designed in layers. Timing creates balance. Information moves faster than fruit. Delivery is complete.
The outside stays outside.
Routing decides efficiency.
Order is visual.
Preparation precedes transformation. Energy moves invisibly. Accuracy begins the clean. The first transformation starts with water.
Purity is enforced, not assumed.
Only clean fruit proceeds.
Now the factory begins to decide.
Clean input allows clear judgment. Human eyes still matter.
Quality improves by subtraction.
Waste is controlled early.
Cleaning is layered.
Every surface is addressed. And they did open or thirst. Moistener. Moisture is managed.
Technology sees faster. Color predicts flavor.
Decisions happen instantly. Not all fruit serves the same purpose. Only the best moves ahead.
Control is constant.
Nothing slips through unseen. Gravity assists precision. Flow pauses without stopping. The line breathes.
Sorting ends where transformation begins.
Here, raw form begins to change. Uniform input creates uniform output. Machines adapt instantly. Precision replaces randomness. Structure is deliberately broken. Unwanted elements are removed. Flavor is captured. Movement stays controlled.
Energy separates liquid from fiber.
Physics does the work. Physics does the work. The product finally appears. Nothing useful is wasted.
Clarity begins here.
Unwanted air is removed. Volume is stabilized. Control protects flavor. Consistency is engineered. Core processing gives way to transformation. Transformation requires isolation. Temperature reshapes stability. Safety is applied silently. Seconds make the difference. Heat leaves as fast as it arrived. Balance is restored. Uniformity is created.
Taste is calibrated.
Sweetness is measured, not guessed. Movement creates consistency.
Air has no place here.
Clarity improves shelf life.
Transformation pauses briefly.
Verification never stops.
Approval releases motion.
Energy drives scale.
Clean paths protect purity. The product is ready. Automation replaces variability. Processes are watched continuously. Logic governs movement. Response is instantaneous. Cleanliness runs in parallel. Detection prevents deviation. Order is imposed automatically. Uniform spacing matters. Containers are prepared. Automation verifies perfection. Errors are removed instantly.
This is the heart of scale.
Timing defines accuracy. Every milliliter is counted. Efficiency captures everything. Closure follows filling.
Security is applied.
Nothing leaves unverified.
Precision now defines appearance.
Identity is prepared. Accuracy precedes attachment. Brand meets product. Durability is ensured.
Time is recorded.
Compliance is confirmed. Finish is locked in. Form becomes final. Stability returns. Precision is rechecked. Mass confirms volume. Standards never bend. Security is visual. Presentation matters. Flow is synchronized. Nothing is overlooked.
Now, the product must prove itself.
Here, assumptions are tested. Trust is verified by sampling. Closure must endure.
Volume confirms honesty.
Sweetness is quantified. Balance protects stability. Invisible risks are controlled. Time reveals truth.
Clarity signals quality.
Uniformity builds trust.
Science still meets senses.
Experience adds perspective.
Records protect accountability. Approval unlocks the final stage.
Control leaves nothing behind.
Only verified product proceeds.
Testing gives way to fulfillment. The end now takes shape. Scale now turns product into units. Speed meets precision.
Protection is applied.
Traceability extends outward. Order becomes three-dimensional. A unit of supply is formed. Stability is ensured.
Finished goods find their place.
Inventory waits with purpose. Timing connects markets. The product leaves the factory.
And this is how modern factories produce fruit juice from start to finish.
Subscribe. Subscribe more real factory breakdowns.